we will be going through the stock module. So over here, you can see all the items related to the stock module under this tab. So we will start with stock, manage, stock item. Over here, you can see all the existing stock item that is already keyed in. If you want to edit, you can click on the blue color code to go inside to edit. To create a new stock item, click on New button at the bottom right here. You can see the name, the code, and the stock row is in the red color, meaning that it's mandatory. The black are optionals. Okay, so for the red color, we need to key in. For example, this is the name, this is the description of the item name. Next is the code. You can key in the code for this particular item, and then you can assign a stock group to this particular item. Next, if this item has a barcode, you can use your barcode scanner, scan the barcode, and the item related to this barcode will come out. If you do not want the system to keep track of your quantity, just untick this stock control. If you want the system to keep track of your quantity, you tick on the stock control and select a costing method. If you select a fixed cost, you need to key in the standard cost for the particular item. Okay, but if you are using a first in first out or weighted average, you can just leave the standard cost as 0. Okay, so if this item has serial number, you can take serial number. If you have stock batch, you can take stock batch. Okay, we can untick these two for now. You can set the item selling price and also set the item purchase price. This amount can still be changed during your sales and during your purchase. Okay, on the right side is your stock level, meaning, let's say for example, if you generate your stock report for this stock reorder advice, the information that you put here will appear inside the report also. Okay, reorder level meaning that if my item quantity is below this 100, it will appear inside the report. Okay, so we also have UM conversion. Let's say for example, I purchase this item per unit. Okay, if I purchase this item in a box, okay, inside a box there's 10 of this unit, and the selling price is probably I put 90 each, and the purchase price I put 45 for example. Okay, and then I save it. Once you've done this conversion, during your sales and during your purchase, you have an option to purchase this item using the as a unit or as a box. If you purchase as a box, it will go into inventory as 10 of this particular unit. Okay, if you have SSD, you can key in your SSD code here in the sales tax and also purchase tax for those exempted items. Okay, so once you are done, you just click save and go back to the list. As you can see here, the item appears in the list, but you can see the balance quantity is 0 because the quantity is only affected when you do any purchasing. If you key in supply invoice, the quantity will increase, and if you key in your sales invoice, your quantity will decrease. Okay, so other from this sales and purchase, there's another part where you can manipulate your inventory quantity is through your stock issue and stock receive. Generally, stock issue is used to remove the item from your inventory. If you are in the manufacturing or in certain industry, you can remove all your raw materials using this stock issue and use the stock receipt for your for your finishing goods. Okay, so for example, I'm going to key in a few items. Okay, for easier reference, I will just use back the same item that I created. So let's say I going to remove 10 of this item, so you can see, okay, the system will prompt if it's the item goes below negative. Okay, so I click on yes. Take note that the location right now I'm using is Damansara. Okay, so if you have multiple location, so you can define which location you want to remove the particular item. Okay, so right now I'm removing from this one here. So in your stock balance, okay, you can see this item is negative 10. Okay, so if I go to stock receive, okay, I click on new stock receive. Same location, the item code, the same item code. Okay, right now I'm going to increase it by 20 so that in the balance it will be 10. Okay, so you can see the balance quantity is 10. Okay, so this is how you use your stock issue and stock receive to remove and to increase the stock quantity. Next one is stock transfer. Okay, so you click on new stock transfer. From, for example, Damansara to HQ, I select the same item, I put 5 for example, then I click on save. So behind the scene, you will know that the item will minus from this stock, Damansara stock, there will be 5, and HQ stock will increase by 5. So the easiest way to see is at the stock report stock balance. As of today, location, I put all. Item, I put the item that I created earlier. Okay, so that we can see it easier. Okay. So you can see in each location, both the balance is now 5. Okay, after I done the stock transfer. If you wish to do stock adjustment and stock take, okay, the easiest way is to generate your stock physical worksheet. Okay, as of when, depending on your location, you print to Excel, and once you print out, you fill up the worksheet of the particular stock, then you go to stock take. You can upload the file, Excel file earlier. Okay, which I have filled up earlier. So if you click on show error rows, it will show that if there's any error, it will prompt out. If no, then meaning that there's no error. So you click on confirm. Yes. Okay, so there's an entry over here, but this is only for stock tick entry, but you haven't do any adjustment yet. So you click on this one and click on adjust book quantity. Or if you don't want, you click on the blue color here to go inside to check whether the stock tick is correct or not. Okay, as per what you uploaded, then you click adjust book quantity. Okay, and click yes. So you can see here, these are the book quantity that you have done the adjustment. So that if you go to stock adjustment here, it's automatic. There's an entry for you already. Okay, so over here there's an entry for you where the adjustment has already been done automatic. So if you go to your stock balance, Okay, so you can see there's an adjustment being done. Okay, so from the stock adjustment earlier. Okay, so there's a difference. So this is for the stock adjustment, stock take, and then using the stock physical worksheet. Next is the serial number inquiry. If your particular item has serial number, you can go to this particular tab to check whether the item is still available or not. Okay, so as of today, this particular item, available means it's still available, issue means that you already issue out, okay, via the reorder or using your sales invoice. So this is how you check for your serial number. If you want to see the movement, you can go to stock card. Okay, I select the same item that I created earlier, interface unit. So you can see what is the in and what is the out. So earlier I have issue out, okay, so I have stock received and then I transfer. So my remaining balance in Damansara is 5, okay, and these are the costing. Same in issue, this I transfer over, and this is the adjustment I did earlier. So this is my new balance quantity. Okay. Another one is your stock reorder advice. In the earlier, when I key in the earlier item, okay, I did fill in the stock there. For example, cartography unit, I put all item, for example. Okay, so cartography unit, this is my quantity on hand, my reorder level, and this available quantity. Same as the interface unit. Okay, so my quantity on hand is 25. My reorder level is 100. That's why it prompt out. Meaning, since my quantity on hand is below my reorder level, okay, so I will need to, it will advise me to reorder. Okay, so every time I reorder, this is the amount that I need to reorder. Okay, we also have commission report, meaning that, let's say for example, if you have salesperson, okay, each item that you sell or you purchase, you can select a percentage or a specific amount, and these are the commission level. Okay, so you can print to PDF and see the report showing you how much for a specific salesperson will get depending on the invoices that they sell, and these are the amount that they can get. Okay, so these are for the commission report. We also have stock profitability. Okay, over here you can see whether your item have profit or not based on your sales and purchases. Okay, so you over here, these are all your cash sales invoice. Okay, and amount that you sold and the costing for each of them. This is the profit.